ओके, मेकअप शुरू करने से पहले मैं अपना स्किन प्रेप कर लेती हूँ, जो मैंने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है। एंड उसके लिए मैंने क्या क्या अप्लाई किया है वो मैं आपको जल्दी जल्दी थोड़ा दिखा देती हूँ। तो फॉर टोनर आई हैव यूज दिस लैवेंडर वाटर बाय कामा आयुर्वेदा। एंड उसके बाद आई हैव अप्लाइड द विटामिन सी सीरम बाय मिनिमलिस्ट। एंड उसके बाद आई हैव अप्लाइड, दिस इज़ एक्चुअली माई डेली स्किन केयर रूटीन। एंड मेकअप करने से पहले भी मैं वही यूज़ करती हूँ, तो मुझे अलग करके और कुछ अप्लाई करना नहीं पड़ता है। ओके, सो उसके बाद मैंने यूज़ किया है दिस मॉइस्चराइज़र अगेन बाय मिनिमलिस्ट। इट्स अ सेरेमाइड्स kind of moisturizer which is very good for your skin. And last but not the least, I have applied very important product which is this sunscreen by Earth Rhythm, as you can see, and this is how it looks like. I absolutely love this sunscreen. Also, I have made a dedicated video how to remove tan from your skin, and there I have talk about the sunscreen, how you can choose your perfect good sunscreen. You can also check that video over here. I will link the video in my description box below. Okay, अभी इस सीजन पे हमारा pores getting larger day by day, so I really need to apply a primer, and here I am using this primer by Inside Cosmetics. This is the perfect dupe of Benefit Cosmetics. So it's a very tiny tube. Okay, I am taking this much. It's really helped me to blur out my pores, and it's a silicone based primer, so it's really good product. ओके, मेरा पोर्स ऑलरेडी मिनिमाइज हो गया है, ब्लर आउट हो गया है। एंड इन समर वी we try to avoid lot of products on our face. Okay, then I'll quickly jump into the next product, which is this Maybelline matte poreless foundation, and the shade is 228, which is darker than my skin tone. Why I am using this? Because I use this for like to color correct my face. Like first I have just take this much. Okay, and I will apply under my eyes, I mean on my dark circle to color correct. I use this as color correct बिकॉज अगर मैं कोई मेरे स्किन टोन का या इससे लाइट शेड का फाउंडेशन और कंसीलर अप्लाई करूँगी तो डे लाइट में इट विल लुक वेरी वियर्ड, थोड़ा ऐशी लगेगा। तो इसके लिए यू हैव टू अप्लाई समथिंग विच इज़ डार्कर दैन योर स्किन टोन, और यू कैन यूज़ ऑरेंज कलर करेक्टर ऑन योर डार्क सर्कल्स. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay, one more thing, in summer I don't like to use foundation to all over my face because I don't feel it's practical in this summer season. So I will quickly jump into the next step, and for this I'm going to use this concealer which is lighter than my skin tone, and this is by Swiss Beauty, which is very affordable product. Yes, in today's video I will use very affordable product which is under budget, and this video will be very useful or helpful to teenager or beginner or college going student. So yeah, I will apply this much, not more than that, and I will apply here and there wherever I have dark patches on my face, and that's enough I feel, because it's very pigmented and it's very thick in consistency, so it's more than enough. To blend out my concealer I will use this brush, and I got this whole set from Amazon. If you are interested to buy this, I will leave the link in my description box below, so you can check that out. Also, it's very affordable brush. So here I will use this brush to blend it out. Can you see how can you see it's instantly hide my dark circles? This is that good, and you have saw that how tiny amount I have applied on my eye. It's that great. Also, to blend it out, you can use your fingers. आज थोड़ा लाइटिंग का इशू होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे अभी बारिश हो रहा है, ओके, जिसको तो वेदर भी थोड़ा मैनेजेबल है, ओके. सो नाउ आई एम ब्लेंडिंग दिस कंसीलर ऑन माई forehead with my fingers, as you can see, and how seamlessly it's blending. मुझे तो अभी डर लग रहा है अभी बारिश ना शुरू हो जाए, क्योंकि बारिश अगर शुरू हो जाएगा लाइटिंग का पूरा इशू हो जाएगा, और आई डोंट यूज़ एनी आर्टिफिशियल लाइट, सो मुझे जल्दी जल्दी इसको ख़त्म करना पड़ेगा. ओके, बेस मेरा ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है, इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ करती नहीं हूँ इन दिस समर सीजन. नेक्स्ट आई विल जंप इनटू द आईब्राउ, एंड फॉर दिस आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्लू हेवन eyebrow pencil, which has this pulley, as you can see, and here it has the eyebrow pencil, and it's very good product or yet affordable. So I quickly do my eyebrow with this pencil. Okay, I am done with eyebrow. इससे ज़्यादा मोटा और डार्क मुझे नहीं करना है, थोड़ा बहुत ब्रश कर देती हूँ. ओके, बैकग्राउंड में थोड़ा म्यूज़िक हो रहा है क्योंकि माई दादी इज़ डूइंग पूजा, एंड आई डोंट नो कब ये ख़त्म होगा, लेकिन इसके लिए मैं वेट नहीं कर सकती हूँ. एज आई हैव मेंशन वेदर का थोड़ा इशू है इसीलिए. ओके, तो मैं अभी अपना आई लुक करने वाली हूँ बाय यूजिंग दिस आई शेडो पैलेट, विच इज़ अगेन वेरी अफोर्डेबल, परफेक्ट फॉर कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट. सो मैं ज़्यादा कुछ करने नहीं वाली हूँ, मैं जस्ट अपना क्रीज एरिया पे इसको यूज़ करूँगी. एंड अगेन आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्रश फ्रॉम अमेजन, विच इज़ अगेन वेरी अफोर्डेबल. एंड सो मैं अभी यहाँ पे अप्लाई करूँगी, एंड आई फील इट्स मोर देन इनफ. या इट्स डन, इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ करने नहीं वाली हूँ. ओके, तो नाउ आई विल अप्लाई मस्कारा, एंड दिस मस्कारा इज़ बाय मार्स Cosmetics, as you can see, and look at the packaging. It's very good quality mascara. Again, it's very much affordable. It's cheaper than Maybelline, and it will give you that voluminous eyelashes. So yeah, you can definitely check that out. But the con is it has very weird synthetic smell on it, which I don't like. So yeah, and just look at my eyelashes. Oh my goodness, such a good quality and affordable. Just look at my eyelashes. I just applied one coat on this eye and see the differences. I told you it's that great. Can you see the difference? Oh my goodness. Okay, I will mention all the product details in my description box below, which I always do, so do check that out. Now just look at my eyelashes, is that voluminous. Okay, next I will apply blush on my apple of my cheeks. I love to apply blush. I can skip everything, okay, but two things I can skip, which is concealer and a blush. And for blush I'm going to use this blush which is by My Glam, and the variant is strawberry blush. And oh my god, this is such a very good and refreshing youthful blush. Yes, it's very light, it's not that I mean it's pigmented, but इसका color कुछ different है, which I love about this. I don't like to use which is in like red, dark pink. I don't like. I know उसको blend करने से अच्छा होता है, लेकिन I love this kind of shade. मैं आपको जल्दी दिखा देती हूँ the shade of this, which is this. And this is the packaging. As you can see, it's very travel friendly, and also it's a very good quality packaging. I know it's a little higher in the price range, but you don't worry, you will get discount on this product if you buy this from Nykaa and Amazon. And also it's available on My Glam website as well. And can you see it has a very good quality mirror over here. Okay, for blush I'm going to use this blush brush again by Amazon. So yeah, I will take this amount of blush. Let's look at this. Okay, now I need to fix all these things, otherwise I will look like a clown. Okay, so for this I'm going to apply powder, banana powder. Okay, to bake my under eye area. And for this I'm going to use my very old product, which is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, which has contour and powder both. For this I'm going to use this powder brush to set my under eye area like this. So yeah, it's like very quick and simple kind of summer makeup look, especially when you are running late. ओके मैं अपना फेस सेट कर लिया है विथ दिस पाउडर, एंड नाउ आई विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, विच इज़ highlighter. And for highlighter I have a very interesting and good quality product, yet affordable, which is this cream highlighter by Inside Cosmetics. And oh my god, I can't stress enough that how beautiful is this product. And this is how its cream highlighter looks like. And for this I will use my fingers only, and just look at this. Can you see how pigmented, how glowy it's looking? But इसको हम ऐसे छोड़ नहीं सकते हैं, otherwise it's looking very bad. So इसको अच्छे से blend करना पड़ेगा. ओके, एंड दिस हाइलाइटर इतना चटक मटक नहीं है, इसका कोई शिमर पार्टिकल्स भी नहीं है. इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद योर फेस विल लुक लाइक दैट यू आर ग्लोइंग फ्रॉम विद इन. या दैट्स द थिंग आई लव अबाउट दिस हाइलाइटर. इट्स दैट ग्रेट. Can you see? Oh my god, I can't live without this highlighter. I really love this. I have two more highlighter, but I am obsessed with this highlighter currently. Little more here. Okay. Can you see? I am glowing like goddess. My camera is not doing justice for this highlighter, but trust me, this highlighter is damn good. ओके, हाइलाइटर अप्लाई करना तो हो गया है, लेकिन अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं अपना इनर कॉर्नर पे थोड़ा कुछ कलर ऐड करने वाली हूँ. फॉर दैट आई हैव थॉट कि आई विल मैच विथ माई ड्रेस, विच इज़ द येलो इन कलर. And okay, so for this I will use again this palette, and here it has the yellow eyeshadow, but I don't know इसका pigment कितना अच्छा है. तो here is the color, and but I have a very good tricks for this. So what you can do, just pick your concealer, and here I am using this concealer again. Remove the excess and just apply on your inner corner. Okay, so then you can apply the light kind of eyeshadow, which is like yellow, sky blue. These are very light, no, so it's very difficult to settled on your skin. So for this you can use this trick, and let's see ये काम करता है कि नहीं. And for this again I'm going to use this kind of brush. Okay, wish me luck. I hope ये काम होगा. या ब्रश में तो बहुत अच्छा आया है. थोड़ा मिरर ले लेती हूँ अपना. Yeah, it's working. Can you see the pigment on my inner corner? It's really giving me such a summer vibe right now. तो इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ करने नहीं वाली हूँ, because I really like this kind of poppy eye look. I think मेरा almost makeup हो गया है, and last thing is lipstick. And for lipstick I will use something new which I haven't used before, and just wait. Okay, for today I'm going to use a lip crayon, which is this, and this is by again Mars Cosmetics. And oh my god, this is such a good lip crayon. I haven't used before any lip crayon because मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि lip crayon can be removed from your lips very easily, so it will not stay. मेरा थॉट्स भी इसके ऊपर ऐसा ही सेम ही था, लेकिन मैंने इसका रिव्यू देखा था, स्वॉचेस देखा था ऑन यूट्यूब, तो मुझे इसका कलर बहुत अच्छा लगा था. एंड दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट ड्यूप ऑफ मैक कॉस्मेटिक्स का मेहर वाला जो लिपस्टिक आता है ना, उसका एग्जैक्ट ड्यूप ऑफ दिस. एंड या ओके, इसको अप्लाई कर लेते हैं. यू नो द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दिस, जस्ट वेट, आई एम टेलिंग यू. पहले इसको अप्लाई कर लेते हैं. While applying this lip shade is very creamy and smooth, but the thing is it's smudge proof. Yes, trust me, it's smudge proof because इसको मैंने पहले यूज़ कर लिया है, मैंने देख लिया है. This is such a great lip crayon, as you can see, and look at the lip shade. Oh my goodness, this is like such a corally or peachy nude shade. I really love this lip color on me especially, and I think my entire makeup look is done. This is like perfect summer eye look. Okay, मैं अपना फाइनल लुक लेकर अभी आती हूँ. Okay, that's my final affordable summer makeup look, as you can see. And I just tie my hair up because in summer I can keep my hair open, so that's the reason why I have tied my hair. As you have saw that how affordable yet good quality makeup products I have used. And also you can skip your foundation because in summer you applying foundation, I don't feel it's practical. Without applying foundation you can look good as I am. ओके, थोड़ा बहुत फ्लॉस तो दिखाई सबका ही देता है, स्किन में टेक्सचर सबका होता है, सो इट्स क्वाइट नॉर्मल एंड नेचुरल. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ मेंटेन योर रेगुलर स्किन केयर रूटीन. इट विल इनिशियली हेल्प to improve your skin texture, but it's not like that जो हमें कैमरा में दिखाई देता है कि कोई स्किन टेक्सचर नहीं है, which is unreal. so don't go for these. If you found this video helpful yet interesting, then please let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what other video you want me to do. I will definitely make those video for you guys. So I will see in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay hydrated, and bye.